Have you ever stopped to think about the ground beneath your feet? It's not just ground, it's a planet. A giant, spinning sphere of rock and metal, covered in water and wrapped in a thin layer of gas, hurtling through space. This planet, our Earth, is more than just a place to live. It is our home, our only home, an incredibly special dynamic system. For the next 7 minutes, we will explore 7 amazing facts about Earth. Our tour of planet Earth begins now. Let's go. First, let's turn back the clock, way back. About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth formed in a cloud of dust and gas around a young, fiery sun. Tiny particles stuck together in a process called accretion, a cosmic snowball growing with gravity. It was a violent time as asteroids and protoplanets slammed into the young Earth, melting its surface into a global magma ocean. Then came Theia, a Mars-sized object that struck a massive glancing blow. Vaporized rock formed a ring that cooled and clumped into our moon, the giant impact hypothesis. That impact tilted Earth's axis, giving us seasons, and the moon's gravity drives the ocean tides. The moon you see is, in part, early Earth, blasted into space and reassembled. Earth is a survivor of cosmic collisions. Its story is written in stone and fire, shaped by gravity across billions of years. Now let's take a journey to the center of the Earth, a planet structured in layers, like an onion or a peach. The thin, brittle crust is our stage for life, yet it's less than 1% of Earth's mass and split into tectonic plates. Beneath lies the mantle, hot, dense rock flowing slowly. Convection here drives plate tectonics that build mountains and trigger quakes and volcanoes. The liquid outer core, hotter than the sun's surface, churns like a dynamo to generate a magnetic field, our magnetosphere. This field deflects the solar wind and protects our atmosphere. Without it, Earth could be barren like Mars. Deeper still, the solid inner core, a super-hot metal sphere about moon-sized, crystallizes under crushing pressure. Think of a hard-boiled egg, shell, white, yolk, a simple picture of Earth's layers. This layered engine powers the shifting surface and shields the sky, shaping the world we live in. Our planet is a dancer in a grand cosmic ballet. It's constantly in motion. Earth's 24-hour spin creates day and night, a reliable clock for life. Flowers greet the sun at dawn and close at dusk. We orbit the sun in about 365 1/4 days. That's our year and why we add a leap day. Seasons aren't about distance to the sun, they're about tilt, 23.5 degrees, changing the sun's angle and daylight length. In summer, sunlight is more direct and concentrated. In winter, it's slanted and spread out. This tilt drives cycles of growth, migration, and hibernation across the planet. Half a year later, the pattern reverses, a beautifully balanced rhythm. Look up. That delicate, thin blue layer is our atmosphere, Earth's unique life support blanket. Oxygen makes up about 21% of air, produced over billions of years by microbes and plants. The atmosphere burns up meteors, and its ozone layer absorbs harmful UV. It's our planet's armor. Greenhouse gases like CO2 and water vapor trap heat, keeping Earth near 15 degrees C instead of a frozen 18 degrees C. The atmosphere moderates day-night extremes, making our world habitable. Winds driven by temperature differences move heat and moisture, delivering rains that feed forests and fields. Air is a dynamic, life-sustaining river connecting every part of our world. From space, Earth shines brilliant blue, a water world. About 71% of the surface is water, mostly the deep oceans that make life possible. Water dissolves more substances than any other liquid, moving nutrients into and out of cells. Sunlight powers evaporation and transpiration, sending vapor skyward. Cooling air condenses into clouds. Droplets fall as precipitation that replenishes land and sea. Water soaks into soils and aquifers, or flows as runoff to streams and rivers returning to the ocean. The water in your glass may have cycled through storms, glaciers, even dinosaurs. The same water keeps moving, shaping landscapes and sustaining every ecosystem. For eons, volcanoes, asteroids, and drifting continents shaped Earth. Now, a new force acts fast: us. Humans have become a dominant force, transforming land and connecting the globe. By burning fossil fuels and through industry and agriculture, we raise greenhouse gases, warming the planet and shifting climate. We see more heat waves, altered weather, rising seas, and melting ice. But we can solve this. With science, clean energy, smarter agriculture, and restoration of nature. The future isn't written. By valuing our atmosphere, our water, and Earth's long story, our footprint can be one of stewardship. Are you ready?